Hi everybody, my name is Jonathan. So to continue from here, I'm gonna connect from the first network going to the second network as I show with the as I hover with the pointing mouse. So in this situation, firstly, I need to activate this port from router to switch on the first network. So to do that, I have to click on the router. I'll have to double click on that. Firstly, I need to see what has been addressed here. So I'm just gonna go there and see. Okay, nothing has been activated yet. So now I'm gonna go back there and see which route I have to take. So now, since I'm on the first network, the IP address for G0/0 is gonna be 192.162.1.1, which is gonna be the default gateway for this one as it's been stated here. So now I have to come here. I have to exit this configuration. From here I can start. So now since I want to access the port 0.0, sorry, I'm gonna say interface for G0/0, right? Enter. Now I'm at that mode. Now I have to activate it, so I'm gonna switch it on. So I'm gonna say no shutdown. Can you please wait? Hmm? Yeah. Put money. So we'll see as time goes on. God works in mysterious ways. So, all right. Yes, yes, yes. So now, as I was saying, I need to activate this port going to the switch. So I'm gonna say no shutdown, and it has been activated. Mind you, I have not given it an IP address as yet, and here also I haven't given anything an IP address. So now I'm gonna assign the IP address that goes to the switch. So now I'm gonna exit this mode. Gonna do the same thing that I do. So for instance, I have to select which port that I'm gonna use, which is uh, G0.0. So in this instance, I'm gonna say interface, port 0/0. Click on enter. So now I'm at this mode whereby it allows me to put in the IP address. As I explained earlier on that since I'm on this network, I'm going to use the IP address 192.168.1.1 as it's already on the PCs as the default gateway. So I'm gonna use that IP address as mentioned there, .1.1. Also, I have to add the submask, .555.555.0. So we on the class C, that's why I'm using this submask as the IP address. So after that, I'm gonna click enter as it's already in. So now I need to test the connection between PC1 and the router. So I'm gonna close this one, go to the PC. Uh, I have to verify that the default gateway is the same as the one I just entered, which is the same. So now I need to ping everything and see if it's gonna connect. So now I'm gonna ping to test for connection 192.168.1.1. So it's allowing me, it clearly means that the connection is 100%. So it's working perfectly in this situation. So now I have to activate from router to router so I can access the network from below. So now in this instant, I've used the port G0/0. Now the available port here is G0/1 as here as well. So now I'm gonna use the network 192.165.5.0 for this router to router. It'll be the network as the. So now I'm gonna type there, right? Okay, I'm gonna exit this mode. So in this situation, I have to always tell which port I'm using so it clearly can set and save so it can be saved on the other side. So now I have to on it first. So interface 0/0. I'm gonna say enter. Okay, I did something wrong. Oh, okay, I see what I did wrong. Interface G gigabyte, right? Mhm. Gigabyte 0/1. Now I'm in. So now what I need to do, I need to activate it. So I'm gonna say no shutdown. It has been activated, as you can see. It's no longer red. So now what I need to do is to give it an IP address. So I'm gonna exit this mode. Uh, interface gigabyte 0/1, right? I'm gonna give it an IP address. So I'm gonna say, let me look at this one and see which IP address has been assigned. So here it's 5.2. So on that other one, I can state 5.1, right? So I can say IP address 192.168.5.1. Also, the submask. It's important to put the submask here. So always verify what you're typing. So yeah, it's verified. It has been entered. So now I have to test the connection between the two networks. So let's say, let me verify if the submask here is being placed. So it's 2.1. Okay, perfect. It's 2.1. Let's check if it has been stored here. 2.1. Perfect. So now everything is accordingly. Let me just verify from the first network. 1.1. Yes. Okay. Perfect. Perfect. So now let me ping everything so I can see the connection. Okay. So I'm gonna ping the below network and see if the wait. I'm so sorry. I'm wrong. I have to give it an IP root. So it allows me to check the network on its own. So now I have to see if the IP root here has been stored. Let me just verify again. Okay. Seems like it hasn't been uploaded or anything. Yeah. So now perfect. Let's use the IP root. So now the IP root, you're gonna enter on this privileged mode. All right. So I'm gonna say IP root, right? I'm on switch 2, right? Let me see. Let me see. Perfect. Right. I'm on this switch. So what I need to do right now is, um, since I'm on this switch, I'm on this network. So while I'm on this network, I need to access this network. So in other instance, uh, on IT root, I have to say 192.168.1.0 plus the submask 255.255.255.0, right? I'm going to choose this network. And what else am I going to choose? The port over here, which is root 0, which is going to switch to switch. That, as I mentioned earlier on, so that one is 192.168.5.1, right? So after that, I'm gonna press enter, which it allows the input that I have entered. So now I'm gonna do the same on root 0, right? So on root 0, I understand that I'm on this mode already. So what I need to do is uh, put the network below 192.168.2.0 plus the sub mask. So now, remember what I did earlier on? Oh, I'm doing mistakes right now. My apologies. So I forgot to put in IP root. Good, I remember quickly. 120. Right. So now, what's left? I need the port here below because I'm on router 0. So now I'm accessing, I want to access this network. So I'll be using this port for G0/1, which is below is going to be 192.168.5.2, right? So now I'm going to type 192.168.5.2, right? So let me just verify. Yes, everything seems correct. I'm gonna press enter, which it allowed the input. So I'm gonna just close there. Simply, I'm gonna go on any PC and test the connection. So now I'm gonna go to command, go below, and ping. Now I'm on network 1, right? I'm on network 1. Ping. Ping which network? The network below 192.168.2.0. Right? So what does it say? It's unreachable. So now I need to go back and see what has happened. Right? I need to verify everything because one mistake can just block everything, right? Okay, let me just verify anything. Okay, gigabyte 1 is the default gateway for the PCs, right? And here is the gigabyte that's connected to the other router. right? Okay, let's just check here again. This one is the default gateway for the PCs on the network below, and this one is the below switch connected with other switch, the first switch. So now I have to verify everything and check the PCs. As I can see, it's 2.2, 2.3, 2.1. So everything seems intact, so but I'm missing something. Let me just verify the cables. So 0.0, 0.0, 0.1, 0.1. Right, so let's just wait until it turns green so we can just go further. So with this one little mistake, you have to verify every little single thing. So now, what I'll just click on. Let me just do this first. Ping. I want to ping the below laptop and see. Okay, it's allowing, it's accepting it, right? So the two pieces below is connecting. So now let me try the router. It's allowing for connection. Perfect. So now let's try the connection between the below, the above, on the network, the first network, 192.168.1.0. So let's try that one. I'm just gonna try the whole network as a whole, of which it takes time sometimes. It gives you that input. Okay, something is definitely wrong here. What am I missing? Okay. So when it says request timeout, it means that the mode is already connected. So I'm just missing a couple of things that I need to just verify and change. So let me just do this 1.1 and see the connection, right? So it says the request timeout. So meaning these two networks can connect at this moment. So I just need to run everything and see which one is running with what, so I can see where the problem is. Alright. So when you're in this situation, you shouldn't panic at all. You just should take it one step at a time. Let me try 5.2 and see. So 5.2 is the a bath above here, right? So now it's connecting. Let me just see if I can if it's going to allow me to access it. So the problem mostly can be here at 5.1. So now I have to change the prompts and see what I can do. And yeah. So let's click here. I found it. Okay. So in this instance, there's two IP routes here, which have been coded. For what? Gigabyte 0/0. So you're exhausting everything that I know here. So meaning what they did here, this one shouldn't be, I mean the above one, because the above one is missing the whole code. So let me just go below and see what can we change. Right? Wow, okay. Now everything seems to be connected. Let me just destination host unreachable. So meaning it hasn't been coded to the right form. So now let me just do this. Perfect. I know what to do. Let me see something. Exactly. It shouldn't be dot one, it should be two. So let me just remove it. Right. Go back to CLL. Say dot 2.0. That was the mistake. 2.5. As I said earlier on, when you come across as any problem, like you shouldn't panic at all. You should just stay calm and see where you went wrong. And from there, everything will just lead to the right input. So my mistake was that here, I typed 1.0 as I should have to type 2.0. Let's see. It accepted the input. So now I'm closing it. Right. Let me try again. Right. Okay. So now I'm accessing the 2.0 network. Oh. So now it's successful. The network, everything is connected, running. Everything is perfect. Network 1 is connected to the network 2. So now I need to run every single thing. Now I'm running the router. Yes, now I'm running everything. Everything should be double checked and run for proper output. So everything is running in this situation. As you can see, everything is flowing. So now I need to verify everything. Perfect. So now from this connection, it's 100% connected. So now let me verify this connection, right? So the connection can be 100%. Right? Let me access. Oh, connection 100% running. Right? Wow. Connection 100% running. So now we have successfully joined these two networks. So everything is 100%. So, yeah, thank you. Isa, I'm done. Mm. Hi guys, I went to go to the above table, and apparently what I did here, you have to do it on this other side too. You have to do everything what you did on the left, you have to do it on the right. So in this situation, what I presented here to you, can you please try to do it there? I hope that I presented this 100%. Remember that the default gateway for gigabyte G0/0, which is this one here, which I'm operating, will be the default gateway for these ones. The IP address for this um, router for G0/0 will be the default gate for these ones. So this default gateway will be the same, won't be the same as these ones here because they're two different networks. Always remember that. So in this situation, there's four networks. So here they'll have a different default gateway as well as here. So you have to on it from router to router in both ways, and make sure the connection is 100% in all ways. So everything should say successful in every way. Should say state successful way, meaning the connection is 100%. So what you do here, you have to do on the right. Then yeah, this will be the end of everything. Thank you so much. Cheers. Nice, lovely sharing with you. And so cheers.